My name is Zach and I'm a videographer for Custom Offsets, and I drive a 2018 Jeep JLU. So far everything I've done to it is pretty minimal, or pretty basic I should say. Right now I started with a 4-inch Superlift kit for the new JLs. Paired that with 35-inch Canadi Trailhawk AT4s, and those are wrapped around the 17x9 Anthem Avengers. As far as future plans go, I have quite a bit of things that I want to add to it. First being some nicer LED lights. This Jeep doesn't have the upgraded LED package, so eventually I want to customize my headlights. I got some cube lights ordered for it already. As far as other aesthetics go, I want to pair that with some new bumpers, possibly some new fenders as well. Kind of diving into a little bit about why we went with each specific piece with this build. The 4-inch lift, it was something new that Superlift came out with the new JLs, which is kind of why I wanted to go with it. And obviously 4 inches is a pretty decent amount of clearance, so it kind of gives me a foundation to build off of if I ever want to go a little bit bigger with my wheels or tires. And then as far as the 35s went, I felt like that was a pretty good starting point. This is my daily driver, so I didn't want to go too crazy. And then I paired that with the 17x9s just because it's I feel like it's a classic Jeep look. Going with that more bigger tire, smaller wheel combo. I thought it just would round out the look of the build in the Jeep nicely. With working at Custom Offsets, I constantly see the Anthem products and the Anthem brand, so when it came time to pick out products and wheels for my Jeep, it was kind of a no-brainer. They have a lot of wheels to choose from, and their new Avenger, when it came out, I kind of fell in love with it initially in the black and milled, but then when I saw it in the satin black, it was one of those things where I just had to have it. Now that I have the 4-inch lift and the new wheels and tires on, kind of can't wait to keep going with my build, and I'm really excited to see where the future takes me.